Voila! You've finished packing your luggage. Now, let's talk a bit about that other carry-on bag you're allowed to bring on board. As mentioned, the key consideration is whether this bag can fit under the seat in front of you on the plane. Typically, that means a handbag, computer bag, small backpack or briefcase. I usually bring a computer bag for my laptop, but other travelers may find the backpack or handbag more practical and useful. Besides the computer, I use this bag to hold most of my travel documents, besides my ticket, passport and wallet, which I keep in an inside pocket, iPod and headphones, sunglasses, a book or two, and perhaps an item or two that didn't quite fit in the suitcase, an extra tube of suntan lotion, for example. If you don't have a computer, this bag is great for carrying your toiletries, and some travelers insist on packing an extra pair of underwear and socks here if they are checking their other luggage, again, because, you just never know.